So today I'm going to be showing you how I sculpted this red-eyed tree frog sculpture. And then here are the supplies you're going to need. So you're going to need acrylic paint, liquid clay, a broken phone charger, polymer clay, cardboard, tape, tools for sculpting, a small batting square, and also these fairy lights, which are part of the diorama that I'm going to show you how to make at the end. I originally had this idea in 2017, so here are the original sketches of just kind of the concept. So now moving on to the sculpting part. So you're going to want to take the cable and cut the little USB part off. And then you're going to want to make a ball of clay and then cut a little piece out and then slip the USB into that. And so you're going to want to make that little like shape for the body, and then you're going to bake them on some batting, and that's like a cool trick I learned to make sure the stuff keeps its shape. And then you're going to make like a paste with liquid clay and then actual clay to make the texture on the globe. And then after rolling out the clay into like a really long tube, you use the template that I made to kind of keep the proportions accurate to the frog. And then you're just going to want to use the liquid clay to combine the cured pieces of clay to the uncured pieces of clay. And then using it to smooth out any seams in between your piece. Right here I'm just adding the globe to the mouth and also adding the little eyes. And then I'm rolling out little snakes to make 4 fingers for the front and then 5 fingers for the back feet. So for this piece I wanted to combine something technological with something natural, and so I chose to do the red-eyed tree frog holding the flash drive in its mouth. And then it also turns out that the flash drive is actually the planet Earth. This piece could also be seen as a commentary on deforestation. And so this piece sort of plays on the word space, which could mean like the universe space, and also like space as in digital storage. And then after painting everything, you're just going to want to use like a matte or shiny glaze on top of everything just to keep the paint from being chipped off, and then it looks really cute. For the diorama, I just made like a 3-sided cube and then painted it black, poked holes in it, and then threaded the fairy lights through it to kind of make the frog look like it was in space. And so then here's the finished piece in all its glowing glory. And I'm curious to know what other people think about what this piece represents and what it means. And thank you for loving the earth.